So the dividend goes in the division frame. And I'm keeping my signs with my terms there. And the divisor goes out the front. Now, I ask myself how many times, starting work in the first column there, how many times does this part here go into x to the power of 4? And of course I get x squared out of that. Now when I multiply x squared by x squared plus 1, what I get is x to the power of 4 plus 1x squared. Now the x to the power of 4 goes in the column with the x to the power of 4's in it, but I don't put the 1x squared in here because these are x cubed, so I move on to the column that's got the x squareds in it, which is this one, and I put the 1x squared in there. Now when I'm doing top minus bottom to get the next line, this goes to a 0. This part hasn't changed. It becomes plus 2x cubed. Top minus bottom here becomes minus 8x squared plus 4x there, and the plus 3 isn't changed either. Now we move on to the next column and we proceed with exactly the same approach. This divided by x squared becomes plus 2x, and if I take that plus 2x and I multiply it by x squared plus 1, what I get is 2x plus 2x cubed plus 2x. Now the 2x cubed I write there. The plus 2x doesn't go here because these aren't x's, these are x squared, so I need to leave a gap there and put the plus 2x there. You can see it's repeating the same pattern. There was a gap in the middle, there's a gap in the middle here. Put the line, top minus bottom, that goes to 0. Then I've got minus 8x squared. Top minus bottom in this case is going to give me plus 2x, and the plus 3 hasn't changed. And then I continue as before. Minus 8x squared divided by x squared gives me minus 8. This times this gives me minus 8x squared, of course, minus 8. And so the minus 8x squared goes there. I haven't got any x components, but I do have a minus 8 there. And then top minus bottom, that goes to 0. That stays as plus 2x. And this one here goes to plus 11. Now I can't divide x by x squared, so what I'm left with is a remainder of this here. This is my remainder of 2x plus 11.